Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share Eid's special Mutton Makhni Karahi recipe. Mutton marination preparation. Mutton 2.5 kilograms. Papaya paste 2 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 2.5 tablespoon each. Yogurt 1 cup. Salt to taste. Lemon juice 2 tablespoon. Oil 4 tablespoon. Mix very well. Done. Cover and rest for 3 hours, best for overnight. Time to cook. Meat transferred to the cooking pot. Mix again. Stir. Cover and cook 15 minutes on medium-high heat. After 15 minutes, water released from meat. Cover and cook 30 minutes or until meat tender and water dry. Water dried. Meat perfectly cooked. Fry a few minutes without cover. Oil separate from meat. Another pan, add oil 2 tablespoon and butter 4 tablespoon. Onion 1/2 cup. Saute few seconds. Salt to taste. Green chili 2 tablespoon. Stir. Cashmere chili powder 2 tablespoon. Roasted cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Coriander seeds crushed 1 tablespoon. Saute 1 minute. Tomato puree 1.5 cups. Stir and mix. Cover and cook 5 minutes. Cream 1.5 cups. Add cooked meat. Mix. Cover and cook 10 minutes on medium-low heat. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Mix. Fresh coriander leaf and green chili. Stir. Cover until served. Garnish with sliced green chili and coriander leaf. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.